This is my video explaining about verb. Before that, I introduce Veronica Gultom from PA2 class. 1. Definition of verb. A verb is the action of the sentence. It shows what someone or something is doing. Example, read, paint, and run. 2. Function of verb. 1. Express action. 2. Describe using or completed action atau a speech. 3. Indicate state of being. 3. Types of verb. 1. Action verb. A action verb tells one action or often a physical action a subject is performing, has performed, or will perform. Example, smile, run, study, and read. 2. Linking verb. A linking verb connects or links a subject to a noun or an adjective in the predicate. The most common linking verb are the forms of the verb to be, or, is, am, are, was, were, been, being, and appear, become, feel, grow, look, remain, seem, smell, sound, stay, tasty, and turn. 3. Helping verb. A helping verb assists the main verb in a sentence. The common helping verb are am, is, are, was, were, be, been, being, has, had, have, do, does, did, might, must, can, could, saw, and should, will, and would. 4. Transitive verb require a direct object to receive the action. Example 1. He threw ball. 2. She read the book. 3. They built a house. 4. I ate the pizza. 5. They wrote a letter. Intransitive verb do not require a direct object. Example 1. The baby slept. 2. The dog ran. 3. They laughed. 4. The leaves fall. 5. He swims. 5. Copula verbs are verbs that connect a subject to a predicate or a word or phrase that describe the subject. They don't express an action but rather a state of being or a relationship. The most common copula verb is to be, or am, is, was, were, being, and been. Example 1. She is a doctor. 2. The sky was blue. 3. He feels happy. 4. The book seems. 5. They become friends. 6. Verbs are words that describe action. States are being or occurrences. They are essential for expressing what happened in a sentence. Example 1. The cat slept on the rug. Action verb. 2. The sun shines brightly. Action verb. 3. She is a talented artist. Linking verb. 4. They will travel to Europa next year. Action verb. 5. The flower smells sweet. Action verb. 7. A verb pairs is a group of words that function as a verb in a sentence. It typically includes a main verb and one or more helping verb or auxiliary verb. Example 1. She is going to the store. 2. They have been working on the project for weeks. 3. We will be able to finish the task by tomorrow. 4. She should have studied harder for the best. 5. I am going to try a new recipe tonight. Next, 8. 1. Present tense. 1. Present simple. Definition. Describe general truth, habitats, or routines. Pattern. Subject plus verb 1 or she or s. Example, Robin writes a letter. 2. Present continuous. Definition. Describe an action happening right now or around the present time. Patterns. Subject plus to be or is, are plus verb in. Example, I'm reading a newspaper. 3. Present perfect. Definition. Describe an action that occurred at a unspecified time before now. Patterns. Pattern. Subject plus has or have plus verb 3. Example, I have written 2 letters today. 4. Present perfect continuous. Definition. Describes an action that began in the past and continues into the present. Pattern. Subject plus has or have plus been plus verb in. Example, I have been swimming for 2 hours. Next, 2 past tenses. First, simple past definition expresses a completed action that happened at a specific time in the past. Pattern. Subject plus verb 2. Example, I was a pilot. 2. Past continuous. Definition describes an action that was ongoing at a specific time in the past. Pattern subject plus were plus verb ing. Example, they were playing football. 3. Past perfect. Definition describes an action completed before another action in the past. Pattern subject plus had plus verb 3. Example, my brother had eaten the pizza. 4. Past perfect continuous. Definition describes a continuous action that was happening up to a certain point in the past. Pattern subject plus had plus been plus verb ing. Example, we had been having a lot of fun when my father asked us to go home. Next, 3. Future tense. 1. Future simple. Definition action that will happen in the future. Pattern subject plus will plus verb 1. Example, I will help you to solve the problems. 2. Future continuous definition action that will be in progress at the specific time in the future. Pattern subject plus will be plus verb ing. Example, Indra will be continue the Denpasar coming to Denpasar. 3. Future perfect. Definition action that will be completed before a certain time in the future. Pattern subject plus will have plus verb 3. Example, I will have completed my talk. 4. Future perfect continuous. Definition action that will be ongoing until a certain time in the future. Pattern subject plus will have been plus verb ing. Example, they will have been watching the conclave for half an hour at 12. Next, 4. Past future tense. 1. Past future simple. Definition describes action that were expected to happen in the future from a past perspective. Pattern subject plus should or would plus verb 1. Example, he would forgive you. 2. Past future continuous. Definition action that would be in progress in the future from a past perspective. Patterns subject plus would be plus verb ing. Example, we would be working that afternoon. 4. Past future perfect. Definition Action that would have been completed in the future from a past perspective. Patterns, subject plus what have plus verb 3. Example, I would have studied abstract. For past future perfect continuous. Definition, action that would have been ongoing up to a point in the future from a past perspective. Patterns, subject plus would have been plus verb in. Example, I would have been teaching in SMA Negeri 1 Siantar. That's all the explanation about verb. See you the next video. Thank you for watching.